G'day, welcome to Yabbies Fishing. We're down again, once again at Cooks River, fishing with live yabbies, as you can see. We got the live yabbies happening. Hopefully targeting a few flathead, a few bream. Maybe if I'm lucky, maybe a jewie. Not a lot of people know you catch jewies down here. Here we go. Here we are, folks. Nice silver bream. The yabby, see he's well hooked. Size 4 hook. Mustard size 4. Nice in the lip. Just pull the hook out. Very nice. Not bad. Just let him go. And away he goes. Once again, folks, we're on. We're getting bites on the next rod here. As you can see, it's all happening. Got the live yabbies happening. Here we go. That's the result.
A fish!
Nice silver bream.
That.
Here we go, we're going again.
Whoa!
As we go, the tide's coming in. Got a lot of company happening.
Good. You wanna touch the fish? They're coming up. Look at your foot. You gotta be careful. You wanna touch this fish? Just touch this fish.
As you can see, this one has rocked me. It's gone. That's fine.
Oh, oh. You wanna hold him?
No.
Come on. Move away. Oh, say well done.
What's that?
Thank you. You gotta slide down.
So here we are once again, folks. Nice bream.
Wanna go fishing, me and you one day?
Nice silver bream.
Go fishing.
Not bad, it's about 35 centimeters. He's not bad on the live yabby. As once again, hook is in the lip, so no need to harm him. Just chuck him back in,
Water again?
and you'll be sweet. Nice, beautiful sunset in the background to end the day. Just let him go. Away he goes. Thanks to Extreme Fishing for the live yabbies. Once again, 302, 304 Woodville Road, Guildford. Extreme Fishing, don't forget.